I like eating my chili with Cholula hot sauce.
Welcome to LB Eats.
All right, so time to try it out. Oh. I'm gonna try a little bit without the topping. Saying that I did the recipe with low sodium, this actually tastes pretty good, even with the toppings. And try it with the chips. There we go. And try it with a little bit of the salsa. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. I'm liking this. A little bit of the Cholula. Some of it here too. You want a bite with everything in it. Put some salsa on here too. With the chili. And the salsa, it's like I'm eating nachos. It's actually pretty good, pretty pleasant. I can definitely see why this chili placed #1 in the National Chili Cook-Off in 2017. This is actually a pretty good chili. Now, the question is, can I make it better? And personally, I think I could. think the one thing that'll make this better is by adding some fresh vegetables like onion, maybe serrano peppers or jalapenos or